Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. We'll get started in a few minutes. Market is absolutely terrible the last 2 days, by the way. Absolutely terrible. It happens sometimes. Watch this 849 break. 39. Things extremely volatile. I won't be touching it, but that's what we have. Good morning, Alfonso, bro. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see what's going on here. TGL. It's broken. It's broken below demand, but it's because of this ATM candle. It lost the momentum here, so we can just move it down to this last red candle here, I guess, for now. Holding on for dear life here, but as long as it stays above 0.12, you should be fine. But it's Friday. I don't expect anything. There's nothing running at all pre-market. Save is running, but I don't like it at all. Mesa's looking alright. PCSA. I just have this one because it is what it's moving up in pre-market, so that's the only reason why I got it on here. Meso. I don't know if they're running because of the same thing. Mesa, I don't know. Just because of sympathies, but I'm going to delete this. If you guys notice, the theme this week has definitely been, right? Sub $1 plays. There's hardly been any top gainers that are above $1. Maybe a handful of them, or much less than usual. So you could just identify that the market is not being that great for, I guess, plays over $1, just mainly sub $1 plays. Can't hear. Turn your volume on then. Can you guys hear me? Should be able to hear me. Let me know. UKAR. What's up, Tyrone? Wait, can you guys hear me or not? Can hear. Okay, good. Thank you. UKAR. UKAR's downtrend. No need to enter this thing. No reason to. Look at this. If you want to buy a stock that's in this kind of trend, then all for it. But look at that. I don't know what more I can say to you than look at this chart. Make the decision. A very simple one. Stay far away. Turn on your volume, brother. Sorry, Juan, I don't know how to help you, mate. Even now, looking on the shorter time frame, like a 1 hour, look, still very bearish. UKAR. I personally wouldn't touch UKAR. There's so many other plays. You don't need to wait for this one. I would personally just stay far away from it. No need to play a downtrend like that. Yeah, I know, it's dead, bro. Dead. Leave it. PCSA, I see it moving. It looks like it's moving up. Yeah, nah, look at this. So from here to here, from the support level to here is already a 13% move. So it looks bullish. Obviously, it's moving up, but I don't know. I'm not very confident with anything, Bell, at the moment, to be honest. I would just stay far away from the market. I will try one A+ setup. I know I said I won't give an alert, but I'm going to try one A+ setup. If it works, then that's good. But if it doesn't, then I'm just done. So I will try it. That's it. Just because the market's not great. Yesterday, I actually traded pretty well considering the market wasn't very good, but I literally just took 3 trades, 2 alerts, and then one of another trade. ROI. ROI is at 4%. So let's just start. I'll show you how I would do ROI, right? How I would look at it. If we're looking at it first, let's look on the daily. What does it look like? Okay, so what do we identify? Top-down analysis. We identify that it's in a downtrend. That is bearish. So you only look for sells. Sell, sell, sell. We look at the 4 hour. Okay, so let's just look at this part here after this breakdown. We can see that bearish again. So we're looking for sell, 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 sells. Now let's look at the 1 hour and identify, okay, what's happening here. All right, we notice that it is found an area of support around this level. Okay, so let's just say here. But there is still no sign of an uptrend until you start to see the play doing this price action like that, then you can look for plays. Trying to enter now is a gamble. You know, every time on the larger time frame, look, downtrend, right? So I understand that it's here at a big key level, right? ROI, if we look at it, if we can even do the daily. This is just a terrible chart, but the only good thing is that you can say it's literally in the demand zone right now. But for me, not a fan of this play, to be honest with you, but this is what you have. This is just based off technicals. I don't know if there's news coming on or anything, what's going on, but this is all you have for ROI. It's literally in the demand zone right now. If you were to enter this, you can try and enter it, go ahead, but you need a stop loss below, which is 27%. So in my opinion, it's not worth the risk. CYN, I just deleted that off my watch list actually, CYN. It's too many sub $1 plays. So CYN broke out of this bullish pennant that we have. Your level that you want to break is 0.15 or 1751. Like this. This is the level you want to break. So yes, it broke out of this. It looks bullish. The momentum is pushing to the upside now, which is all what we want. However, this is our double top. We hit it once, we hit it twice, and we're coming down. No need to enter this. Wait for the break above. If there's no break above, there is no entry. That's simple, guys. Don't try and hope and pray and gamble. Oh, it's going to go up. It's because it's so close to it. That's the worst explanation and reasoning for a trade entry. Wait for confirmation. Your confirmation is a candle close above this. We've wicked once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. No reason to be entering. Break above that, then you can expect this play to run pretty good. The moment, just stay away. UKAR is coming down to VWAP. SAVE is coming down to VWAP. 1 minute entry, you can look for downtrend breaks, entries. Let me see something. See if we come down to this level. The reason why I have this demand zone and not this is simply because we're pretty much below, we're broken below it. See, look here, last red candle before. We have broken below, therefore it's invalid. I know it's trying to push up, but if you wanted to take this trade, this is how you could take the trade. Like this. You're in the demand zone, it's scalp entries, 1 minute play, 1 minute time frame. I don't trust anything on the 1 minute time frame at the moment, this week at all, to be honest with you. The only demand zone I'm looking for is this. So I want a demand zone to pull back to VWAP and a falling wedge. This would be ideal. No break, no pullback to here, then I won't do anything, but that's what I have. If you guys have any other chart tickers or anything, feel free to question me and I will go over some for you. Let's have some fun with this one. Fun, guys, please stay far away from that thing. Stay far, far away. I've deleted it from my watch list. So, save, you can look for entries if it comes down here. Entering here is still valid. It's just higher risk if you enter now, that's all. This is on the 1 minute chart. Lays, I'm not even interested in this. I'm really going to have like 1 or 2 plays, not even any. Oh, I just had lays on my watch list. I'm not touching fun. Do not touch a hardy. Delete it from your watch list, bro. There's no need to get it. It's 2 offerings in 1 week or something crazy. So stay far, far away. Just leave it. Leave it, leave it. I'm not even going to mention it on my Twitter. SMFL, there's nothing going on with this, unfortunately. SMFL is trading in a range. Consolidation here. Needs to break above $2 on SMFL. Otherwise, no entries. Too much of a gamble. Yes, Lays. I can look at Lays. Man, I got so unlucky on one of my. So I'll explain after what happened. Lays. This was on my watch list. So here. So look, it's still bullish, right? I expect this to go because we are in a downtrend. Yes, I understand that. However, we are pushing to the upside here and we're forming a bullish pennant, expecting price to break out, holding the demand zone, which is here. So it still does look good, but with Friday and the current market conditions, I don't really have much confidence in any plays at the moment, to be honest. So the theme is sub $1 plays for this week, or just been, I guess, the start of this month. This is what you have. So it is a bullish pennant. We go with extended hours. You can see it's just kind of flirting with the support level here at the moment. Oh yeah, so I got very unlucky with this. So BFRG yesterday, it's actually pushing up as we speak. I traded this play and it stopped me out and it ran pretty crazy yesterday, which was kind of annoying. I literally entered like this. We entered here, we got stopped out on this candle wick over here, this candle here, and then it pushed all the way up to 398 yesterday. Yeah, Bell, I see, I know. Volume's coming in hot on it. Let me look at the larger time frames on it. It's running right now though. So this is the level it's trying to break at the moment. What is that? 430. I'm just going to put 440. So 437, I just round to 440. And then we have this. What is this? 530 and then 575. $575 is a big resistance level here, look. These are your levels though. BFRG levels. Very bullish though. I knew the thing is yesterday is I don't know why I just didn't. The reason why I didn't get in yesterday re-entry was because of the market wasn't great. If the market was good, I would have got in that re-entry, but I know most of you guys actually held through the stop loss and it was a green trade for you, which was good, but yeah, it was a red alert, red trade for me. BFRG key levels. It's looking good though. At least it's something over $1. So look here, so we have, if we hold this level into open, that'll be good, but it's very bullish, right? From, when was this? On the 17th, so 2 days ago, Wednesday. A lot of people are watching ROMA. ROMA was we sniped this entry yesterday. In the Discord, I'll show you what I did. So what we did yesterday was pre-market. Okay, we did this. So we identified, so this was yesterday's pre-market. So what we did was we identified this was the demand zone. So last red candle for the push. So that's just this whole candle here. And then we just basically put like that. And then like that. So this was our whole demand zone. So I'll just show you how we played this stock for those who want to see. I didn't give it as alert, but because it was too quick to give an alert. But for those who were on live trading yesterday, most of us got in because I just said we should just get in now. So what we identified was that this was the last red candle. Okay, I know this was here, but I just have this because it's a larger range and it's pretty much level with this. So we can see that this was the last red candle. So that's where our demand zone is. We pushed all the way up during pre-market. Okay, and then I remember if you guys remember on Twitter, I said I'm waiting for it to pull back to demand zone. Also, those in Discord know that I was saying all we were doing, right? So the market was coming down, 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 right? And then obviously this was market open here from this black, from the start of this black rectangle to here was intraday. So we noticed that going into open, we identified that it was pulling back into this demand zone, right? So once this thing, we didn't enter here, we didn't enter here. Once we got this red candle close here, okay, this is where we took our entry. So we entered here and then we went all the way up here for a quick 6% move. And if you held, obviously you went all the way up to 11%, which was really nice. But I sold on the initial move here. And then I only sold at 3%, but it went up to 5%. But that's exactly what I did. I just waited for it to tap into demand zone, got that candle close, and I entered the trade. So that was a very nice setup on that. Wait, is there US data coming out? What data is coming out? Let me have a look. Give me one sec. Does anyone know what data is coming out? Key events. 1 second. Consumer sentiment data is coming out. Oh shit. Be careful of this, guys. I don't know what time. Let me find out. Does anyone know what time this comes out? I'm trying to figure out consumer sentiment data. Let me have a look. Consumer sentiment data. 10 a.m. Eastern, so that's 9 a.m. Central. Wait, that's in 7 minutes. Is that right? 7 minutes? Or next hour? It's next hour, right? (10 a.m.) The news comes out at 10 a.m. Eastern, which is 9 a.m. Central. So, wait, now it's coming out 9 a.m. Is this Central or Eastern? My time? I think it's Central. I think my thing's Eastern. I think you're right. It's next hour, right, Hardy? Or is it in 5 minutes? I'm in Dubai. Your time, yeah. I'm in Dubai, so I don't know. It's 5:55 p.m. here. In 1 hour. Okay, cool. Yeah, 1 hour, 1 hour. All right. Okay, 1 hour. How's Mesa looking? What a play, man. Well done if you guys got in on the Discord. Eastern is 1 hour, yeah. Central's behind 1 hour, yeah. Chicago time. Lived in Chicago for 4 years. 3 years, sorry. Here we go. Mesa's going for Hive Day. So all I will do is now, right? How I want this stock to play out is simply let it go as high as it wants. Then I want it to slowly come back into the demand zone like this, come down, straight up, and then work down, and then push straight up. So that's what I want to happen. So something like this. I know my chart's all over the place, but. So look here. We want it to come down to this demand zone into open, which actually, what am I on about? Market open's coming soon. So like this, right? We want it to go high and then come down, slowly come down, tap into the demand zone, and then push straight up. That's what we want it to do. So as soon as that candle closes, we can look for entries. That's ideally what I do when I look for demand zone pullbacks. I need a couple of confluences. Just because it goes in demand zone, I'm not going to enter, but that you guys get the gist of it. I know people in the Discord know what we need to look for in terms of that setup, but it's very consistent, the strategy. It just helps you be patient, because if it doesn't come down to demand zone, then you basically don't enter, right? If you're going to try and enter now, you feel like you're chasing, but you can see what's happening now with this. It's trying to, right? The stock is trying to push for high of day, which is 134. So that's what it's heading towards now, which is where's VWAP and all that. So yeah, it's above VWAP of 90 MA, so it looks good. So there's clean room all the way. I mean, you can say this is there's a resistance level here, 125. So you can see the reason why it's rejected here, right? You have rejection once, twice, 3 times, and then here again. So if this at least gets if this gets above 125, then you should expect hive day, honestly. But this is your level. Let me do something quickly. I don't know if I like that. I prefer the solid line. Here's your level. So this is what you want to MOZA. Needs 125 break. So you guys see why I've got 125, right? So 125 is simply just this resistance level here. It's a psychological level as well, if you want to call it that. 125, 130, whatever. And then 134 is just a high day. That's the only thing I have. GXAI, not much volume. TGL, funky candles on that. MOZA's looking like the best setup at the moment. MOZA moves like a zombie. Everything's moving like a zombie right now. Is anything else moving? Jesus, what a shitty day. Pre-market. I literally have. Ooh, here, look. This is better. Are we on VWAP? It's coming down to where I want. And it's better, cleaner 5-minute falling wedge. This looks very good. Get ready for this play if you want to try and grab some. This looks very good. So you wanted to pull back to demand zone. Let's see if it respects this. So what does this save? Looking for pullback to demand zone. Let's have a look and see what this does do. MRAI. Let me have a look. At MRAI. Guys, if you can like up the stream as well, if you haven't already. I want to see, we have 36 people watching. I want to see at least 30 likes. Like it up. MRAI, let me do this. Oh, MRAI, this is actually a good shout. Thanks for reminding me about this one. This one yesterday was such a good play. Considering how shitty the market was yesterday, this thing did very well. I was going to put this on my watch list, but the chart wasn't very clean to do. Look, bullish pennant. You can see it before it's even happening. We can clean it up. We can put it like that if you want. The reason why I haven't gone for this one and I've gone for this is because we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 touches. That's the only reason why I've done this. So look, it looks very nice. MRI, I expect continuation on this. It looks very good. I'm going to look at a larger time frame now, but MRAI is a nice chart. So considering yesterday's market, right, this one was probably one of the strongest plays. There was no, okay, it was a little bit of a sell-off yesterday, but I think everything did, but at least it held it's above $1. So this one's looking bullish. It's still intact. Oh, 4 hours doesn't look too good. Daily. Oh, first green candle. But that's what you have. MOZA, what's happening? Shooting star. That's a shooting star. Look, shooting star formation. Stocks. Down, this is gonna come down quick, or it has to move. That's on the 5-minute as well. Right, what else is moving? Anything else moving worth looking at? Anyone have any other suggestions? Let me know. Here we go, demand zone. I know it's broken below the wedge, but we're in the demand zone here. I think we broke below VWAP, right? We're on VWAP. Oh, we did break below. That's not good. This thing's coming down quick. Let's see what it does do. How long do we have? Oh, 5-minute candle just closed as well. Looks like it's broken below. Doesn't look too good. It needs to hold this. It needs to hold this ASAP. So we have 1 hour, right, until the news. I need to keep that on one. So we're getting this strong bottom wick forming. LYT. I know some people traded this yesterday. It was actually moving. It's actually moving a bit. 14 degrees. Hell no. Ooh, LYT got a huge sell-off yesterday. This is not my kind of play. Do not add that to your watch list. I don't like this one, to be honest, Leandro. If I was to look for entries, it would just have to be the high of pre-market, which is this. Then you expect continuation, but right now it's just bearish, right? Look, the trend, downtrend. Yeah, just bearish on this for now. Personally, would just avoid for now until, yeah, what is this? 1175. LYP, yeah, I know. It gave like scalping opportunity. This is where Hassie and you guys got in, wasn't it? Here, like this break above, I remember. How's Save looking? Here's Save. Save's looking good. Save's looking good. Save's looking very good. Falling wedge, demand zone. It's 1 minute demand. It was the 1 minute demands. Here we go. It's looking good. Buys are stepping in. Should reverse here. Scalp entries here. Let me know if anyone grabs this. Yeah, I'm still watching. Thanks, man. No worries, no worries, no worries. Yeah, nice gains all day for scalps. Yeah, I mean, I feel like scalps is market. Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. It's reclaimed VWAP as well. This should be good. Yeah, this should go. It's worth entries, honestly. It's worth scalp entries, to be honest. Right, here it goes. So you guys see, right? I just had to obviously fix up the wedge a bit because it went a little bit below, but it still came straight back to the demand zone, exactly what we want. It came to a falling wedge as well. So a lot of things are adding up on this, and then that was a quick move. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Where's your 3%? 7.35, let's see if we can get there. AGFY, I do not like this one. I'm going to delete it. I don't know why I have it on my watch list. It's a terrible stock. TGL is holding this level. So TGL is respecting its demand zone. I think, personally, I think that this will run because of yesterday. It ran yesterday. And now, look, remember what I mentioned all week? I mentioned that it needs to just break above this level. And look, you finally are above this level, which is exactly what you want. So now that you're above this, the strong bullish candle, now you expect continuation. It's holding this now, breaking, and then retesting. So let's see what it can do on this. But I do like this setup a lot. It looks good, looks good, looks good. For those who just joined, if you can do me a favor and like up the stream, I would really appreciate it. Mesa still hasn't broken this 125. Remember what I said? Needs 125, then you can look. What's this thing doing? It's chilling. GXAI. I have this downtrend break here, so this is all you really need. That's a fake out right there. I think that's 8 AM candle, right? 8:15. Anything else moving? Anything else moving? Yeah, there's only one Discord that I'm in. There's only one Discord. The link it's in my in the bio of my name on my Twitter. The link's there. Prices are going up next month, end of the month. Let's see what this is gonna do. Yeah, I'm only in. There's only one Discord that I'm in, guys. I'm not in any other Discords. I'm only part of one Discord. Tigerline Trading. That's it. I'm not part of Moon Markets because someone asked me about that. I don't know who they are, but I'm not part of them. Here's your setup on this. So nothing at the moment on a CRGE, but it's in a downtrend right now. This is on the 5 minute. Let's look on a larger time frame. Larger time frame. Larger time frame is trying to reverse, but I'm not really too confident on this thing. I don't know. I think there's too many sub $1 plays on my liking. What's happening with this? Back into demand zone. Are we respecting VWAP? Oh, we broke right below. Need a push up here. Oh, it's Dunzo. MRAI, Mesa. I know everyone's watching Mesa, so we'll just keep an eye on this one. Look here. Let me see what this is gonna do. All right, I'm gonna go with my watches, guys, and then I'm in Tagline Trading and Moon Market. Oh, nice. Nice. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know anything about Moon Markets. I don't know anything about them. What they do. I think they just trade the same thing as us, from what I know. Or small caps. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go with my watch list, and then I'm gonna head into Discord. MRAI, you guys know this one. Larger time frame setup, expecting breakout. Save this one. We are pretty much looking for a breakout on this. I do expect it to doing exactly what I expect to happen. We just need to hold VWAP. We're fighting with VWAP at the moment. PCSA at the moment, it's actually looking much better now. The chart's looking good. So yeah, this is actually looking nice. Bell, I don't know if you are still in here, but I do like this setup. It looks good. And then we have Mesa, 125 break, and then we should break high day. I'm looking for demand zone pullback. What is this? TGL, as long as we hold this 0.212, we're fine. GXAI is also in a downtrend, but yeah, break above, then worth lotto entries on this, to be honest. But yeah, that's all I have today, guys. I hope you have a great week. If you have any questions about the Discord or any questions about my Twitter, feel free to ask me. I'm here for you guys if you need anything. So yeah, reach out. I'm expecting SAVE to break out, but we'll see if it does hold VWAP. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and weekend. I will see you all on